Damn it, that was a good round.
Run away, Hosho, run away!
Yeah.
Oh no, oh no. Do carriers have secondary
Yeah, they do.
on them? Oh yeah, I can see one on there.
Don't do a lot, but they are there.
Oh, the New York's just opened up. I think we're done. Oh, well, we're 10th of the way onto the Congo.
Oh, nice. Congo's a bloody
Oh,
good
I'm just
ship.
gonna go. I just have to go feed these kids and I'll be back.
Yep, alright, give me a holler when you're back.
Deal. Back.
Cool. They only just finished it then. Took them ages to kill that Hosho.
Oh, I've almost got surprise attack too.
Nice.
Sunk the fucking Congo. Clem, I'll go the Kuma.
Alright, Clemson, kick her in the... Ah, fucking same fucking map. Fuck.
Yeah, I know, right? Congo and Wyoming. Congo moves.
Congo's quick. Quick as fuck. I think the Congo gets up to about 28 knots when you've got the full engine upgrades.
Engine boost activated.
Oh, so me and their Isokazi's it for destroyer work. Lovely.
Oh, that's a good picture.
Aha, hello Isokazi.
Smoke generator started.
Oh, what am I going in reverse for?
Scary, 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 scary. What the fuck did I run into? For a tucker. Oh, get out the fucking way then. Tosser.
Smoke screen set.
Burn, you little fucker.
Oh, you cheeky bastard. Oh, that's why. You're seeing your torps, I imagine.
Hmm.
Engine boost deactivated.
Oh, bad, 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 bad. Oh, the Congos are in trouble. Shitload of torps on the way to the Congos.
Oh, he's dropped torps. I'm sure of it.
Burn, you fucker.
Oh, good on you, Wyoming.
Torpedoes to port.
Fuck you.
Torpedoes to port.
Yeah, have some of that. Boom! On the money! Fuck you!
Destroyed. Ship is on fire. Critical engine damage, sir. Our team has taken the lead.
Haha! Haha, I'm alive! Haha, I'm alive! Hello, New York.
New York. Oh, there's the
Oh.
bogue.
Ha 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 ha! Christmas time!
Oh, New York's gone full reverse.
He can reverse as much as he's like whilst he's on fire.
Oh, he'd be a bit shirty, I reckon. That bloody that Wyoming left him do it.
Yep.
Left him do it. Now, why do you need help at A?
Because they've been overrun from the looks of it.
Karlsruhe.
Come on. Come on. Come on. No.
Engine boost activated.
Victory is in sight.
Enemy aircraft carrier sunk.
Eat that, asshole. No prisoners, let's go.
No! No!
What?
Who was that? Who the fuck was that?
Might be that
Stole
Wyoming
my
there.
fucking...
Ah.
You rotten sod. Oh no. Oh no. Come on. Oh. Yep. You fucking hell.
What?
Stole my fucking Karlsruhe kill.
Ah.
Went head to head. Oh, dirty.
It's alright, I might be able to steal their Wyoming kill. I did too. Suck it.
We destroyed an enemy battleship.
Come on, Clemson. Oh, it's another New York. Oh, no you don't, you fuckers. Fuck off, fuck off, fuck off.
Oh. Oh. One. None. One.
Ah, one. Pretty much.
Jeez, they drop those things right on you, don't they?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm not detected either. I am now, fuck. No, I'm undetected. Thank you, smoke. Thank you, smoke. Thank you, smoke.
Smoke screen set.
Oh, it's one. It's definitely one. Sure. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, don't stop firing at him. It's going to be beautiful.
Ow! Good night, sunshine.
Oh!
Enemy battleship sunk.
What the fuck is that Langley doing? Oh, he's running away. Okay.
Cut. Come on. Oh, you fucker.
Oh. He had him too,
Yeah.
for what it's worth. One of your torp mounts is wrecked.
Yeah.
Yes, I see. Yep.
Took a bit of a battering.
Oh, does your turret there pack 2 barrels? Yeah, right.
Yeah. It's a pissant piddly little thing, but
Oh well. Better than the poke in the eye of the blunt stick, I guess.
never going to say a terrible thing about the Clemson again after this run.
Feeling it.
Fuck off, Wyoming. Just fuck off. All of yous, fuck off.
Oh,
It's going to be close.
you got him. That's yours.
Ah, suck it.
Enemy battleship destroyed.
And a couple more to go on with. Boom, boom, boom.
Woot.
Nice.
Wow.